We're working on a A7R Mark 4 Sony camera. Nice camera. So what's happened with this camera is that it's been pulled apart and they've tried to replace the LCD screen and done some damage to the board that sits behind here. So what's happened is that when they've done some work on it to try and replace the LCD screen, the flex ribbon from the LCD screen that sits over here and runs up through here and plugs into there, the arm that lifts up for the connector has been ripped off and it's just exposing all those pins across there. So that's the new one. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's a white slide-in piece. It's been ripped. It's been ripped right off. Have a closer look at that. That's how it's supposed to look, and that one's been completely ripped off. So we've got the old one out, we've got the new one in, and that's how it's supposed to look. So the LCD screen does work, but there's no backlight. It's like dark, so you can see it. When I remove the cap, letting in a lot of light, so you can see the screen brightens up a little bit with a picture of just white. So yeah, the backlight's not working on the LCD screen. Could be the LCD screen, or it could be the main board.